been running Google Ads campaign in 2025, then this is the video that you need to watch, because I'm gonna tell you the new strategies that you have to implement in finding the right keywords for your ads campaign. Otherwise, you will be able to target the wrong set of keywords, hence increasing your CPC. As you can see on my dashboard, that whatever campaigns that I have been running, on the basis of that, Google has picked up some keywords. And if I go into the insights and reports section, then if I go into the search terms, then these are the keywords on which Google is basically running the ads. And if I filter it down on the basis of, let's say, the impressions, then you will be able to see how much impressions I have got for which keyword. And on the basis of the impressions, I have excluded some of the keywords that I think are not according to my campaign. So these are the steps that you need to take on. But what is the first step? The first step is to find the right keywords. And how do you find it? Do you should depend on tools like AHRE for SEMrush. Basically, those tools helps you in finding the relevant keywords. But there's a better way out of it that will help you and tell you what your competitors are using, what type of ads they are running, and how long they have been running the ads. So I'm talking about none other than this tool called Similar Web. You can sign up for this tool, and this tool gives you basically 7-day free trial. So you do not need to worry about like the premium feature, because you have the 7-day trial feature. After that, what you need to do, let's say my objective is to run ads for the divorced lawyers in Delhi. So I just searched this keyword on Google, and then after that, like if I scroll down, you see there are no ads. But if I go at the bottom of the page, then there is one website which is running ads. So what I need to do, I just need to copy down the URL of this website. And then after that, I just need to go back to Similar Web. And then you can click on keyword research part. Once you will do that, then you need to come on the overview section. Over here, what you have to do is like you can search for a keyword or the keyword list, but I do not want to search for a particular keyword. I want to inquire about a website and the keywords that they are targeting, right? So for that part, you need to go to the website explorer section. Then you need to click on the keywords. Over here, you can type down the website for which you want to track down all the keywords that they are using on their landing pages. So I'm just gonna simply type down this domain, and now I will be able to see traffic in two different formats. Let me just scroll this part. So now you can see the total traffic, organic traffic, and the paid traffic. That means that now I will get all the keywords that they are using inside their paid campaigns. Isn't it cool, guys? Because this will eliminate the work of identifying the right keywords to run the campaign. So you see, these are the keywords that is driving traffic to their website. This is the number of clicks that they have received so far. Divorce lawyer in Delhi have got them 60 clicks. Then best advocate in Delhi have got them less than 50 clicks. Then you see different type of keywords as well. At the same time, we can also identify the volume of those keywords. So best advocate in Delhi have somewhere around have a volume of 2.7k, and it has a very low difficulty level. That means that there are high chances that if you gonna target this keyword, then you can assure your ranking, right? Average volume we have, zero click we have, in the what is the CP that you need to pay for this keyword? That is somewhere around $0.21. That is also less compared to other keywords out there. After that, if you go into the organic traffic section, then whatever organically this website is getting attraction from Google, you can identify that. And you can also go into this keyword called paid traffic. So paid traffic is where you will be able to identify all the traffic which is coming from the paid campaigns. But right now this is not applicable for this domain because they have very less data. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just quickly gonna change it to a different query. So let's say I want to learn digital marketing in Delhi, and then there might be some people who might be running some different kinds of ads. So let's see what type of ads have been running. So I can see that DigiPerform is running ads. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just simply gonna open the link, and after that I'm just simply gonna copy the URL and then come back to Similar Web, and over here I'm just simply gonna type the URL that I've just copied. Now guys, look at this. I have got 182 keywords on which this website is running advertisement. They're running advertisement on their brand keywords, which is driving them 5.7k clicks with a volume of 42.3k. This is like really huge, guys. And I can also identify their top pages on which they are driving the website traffic. So in Jaipur, they have the best conversion so far. So they are getting a lot of people from Jaipur. So I can like open it and then I can find it out. Advanced digital marketing course in Jaipur, and then these are the things that they have done. 3 live projects, 15 plus certifications, 9 super specializations, and all other stuff. Now this way I can get to know where they have been running ads and which location they are targeting. So digital marketing course. So let me just expand it. uh, okay, this can't be expanded. I can only download it. That's fine, guys. So you see, I can see, if I just copy related keywords, I can also see, and then I can see all the keywords where they are running SEO course online. So they are getting 120 clicks, and a CPC is 0.67 with an average volume of 1.9k. And they are running this ad for this keyword, for this landing page, which is based out of Gurgaon, right? So this is how you can identify all the keywords on which your competitors are running advertisement, and this way this will eliminate your hard work in finding the right keywords, because now you get to know which keywords have high potential, which keywords have low CPC, and which keyword can drive you more conversion, and which keyword can give you more clicks. So this is the data that you can find inside your similar web. This is a free data, guys. You do not need to depend entirely on SEMrush or Ahref, although these tools comes with a handy pricing. But now we get to know like what type of keywords we can get from our competitors. Once you have identified the competitors and once you have started running the ads, do not forget to uh, exclude some of the keywords which are not relevant to your industry or which have an informational intent and not the uh, transactional intent, because that will just burn up your money and nothing else. And also you have to maintain the ratio between the phrase match and the broad match. So make sure that like you identify the keywords according to your intent and not according to what Google is suggesting. So I hope you like this video. If you have liked it, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.